Hello guys, it's my pleasure to welcome you to my channel Laser Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafiu. I'm reaching you from Lagos State, Nigeria, and into this video guys, I'm going to teach you step by step on how you can add an advertiser to advertise for you on Facebook or on Instagram. So this process is much important, most especially if you are trying to hire a Facebook advertiser or an Instagram advertiser. So the first step you need to take is to make sure you have the person on your you have the person on your Facebook account. That's the first step to take. So after you are able to add the person as a friend on your Facebook account that is related to your ad account, so next step you have to take is to open a new tab. So when you open a new tab, so you have to send a request to the person that wants to advertise for you, either for Facebook or Instagram. So type in Facebook / as manager, then press enter key on your keyboard. Alright, so at this point here, you need to come down right here and click on settings. Alright, so you have to come here, click on add people. Then this window is going to pop up. Okay, here you need to choose an option. So like I said earlier, you have to add the person as advertiser if you want people to advertise for you on Facebook or on Instagram. So choose add account advertiser. So you have to come here now, search for the friend name. That is, I told you in the beginning of this video, you must have the person in your friend on your Facebook personal account. So take note of that. So you have to type the name of the person. So okay, so this is the person here. I want her to add. Let's say this is the person you want her to or him to advertise for you. So when you choose these two options here, you are very much correct. The next step you have to do is to click on confirm. Alright, so this person here has been added to your ad account, which simply means that this particular person right here, you can click on close anyway. So this simply means that this particular person here you can see it right here. He or she has been added to your ad account. So this simply means that you and this person will be managing your Facebook ad account, so they can easily run advert for you via your Facebook business page or via your Instagram page. I hope you guys learn one or two things in this video. If you find this video useful, give the video a big thumb up. And also, if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, kindly subscribe and hit the notification bell, so whenever I upload content about Facebook marketing, you get notified and you watch the video. And lastly but not the least, if you have any question for me as far as today's tutorial is concerned, kindly put your question in the comment section down below. I hope to see you guys in my next video. Peace.